What first-time homebuyers must do after closing. Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, I want to talk to first-time homebuyers about something very important that often gets overlooked. Everyone talks about getting approved. Everyone talks about finding the house. Everyone talks about the inspection, the appraisal, the closing costs, and getting the keys. But what happens after closing? What happens after the moving truck leaves? What happens after the excitement settles down? What happens when this house is no longer just a dream, but a real responsibility? Because buying the home is one accomplishment. Keeping the home is the real mission. Once you close and move into your new home, your mindset has to shift. You are no longer just a buyer. You are now a homeowner. That means your financial responsibilities, your monthly budget, and your long-term planning have to adjust immediately. The first thing you need to understand is this. Your mortgage payment is not the only cost of owning a home. You now have property taxes, homeowners insurance, utilities, repairs, maintenance, possible HOA fees, landscaping, appliances, plumbing, heating, cooling, and unexpected expenses that may come at the worst possible time. That is why having a proactive plan is one of the best ways to protect yourself, protect your credit, maintain your mortgage, and keep your home. Let's go step by step. The first thing every new homeowner should do after closing is set up an emergency fund. This is not optional. This is protection. When you were renting, if the water heater broke, you called the landlord. If the roof leaked, you called the landlord. If the heating system stopped working, you called the landlord. Now, you are the landlord. That means when something breaks, the responsibility belongs to you. One smart strategy is to set up a dedicated home maintenance fund. A common guideline is to save about 1% of your home's purchase price every year for routine maintenance and unexpected repairs. For example, if you bought a $400,000 home, 1% would be $4,000 per year. That does not mean you will spend that exact amount every year, but it gives you a realistic savings goal. Some years may be quiet. Other years may hit you with a plumbing issue, an HVAC problem, a roof repair, an appliance replacement, or an electrical issue. The purpose of this fund is simple. You do not want a home repair to destroy your monthly budget. You do not want to use credit cards for every emergency. You do not want to choose between fixing the house and paying the mortgage. Your home maintenance fund gives you breathing room. The second thing you should do is adjust your monthly budget. The budget you had before buying the home may no longer work after closing. You need to review your income, your mortgage payment, your utilities, your groceries, your transportation costs, your insurance, your taxes, your savings, and your maintenance fund. Many first-time homebuyers make the mistake of thinking, as long as I can afford the mortgage payment, I am fine. But that is not the complete picture. You need to afford the mortgage payment and the lifestyle that comes with owning the home. A house needs maintenance. A house needs attention. A house needs money set aside before problems happen. So after closing, sit down and create your new homeowner budget. Include your mortgage payment. Include utilities. Include insurance. Include property taxes if they are not escrowed. Include maintenance savings. Include emergency savings. Include repairs and unexpected expenses. A strong budget helps you stay ahead instead of always reacting under pressure. The third thing you should do is protect your mortgage payment. Never skip or delay your mortgage payment. Your mortgage is probably the most important bill you have. A late payment can damage your credit, create late fees, and put unnecessary stress on your household. One smart option is to set your mortgage on auto pay so the payment is made on time every month. But here is the important part. Only do this if you are also monitoring your bank account and making sure the funds are available before the due date. Auto pay is helpful, but it is not a replacement for financial awareness. You should still check your mortgage statement. You should still verify your payment posted. You should still review your escrow account. You should still make sure there are no errors. Your mortgage payment protects your home. Treat it with priority. The fourth thing you should do is track your property taxes and homeowners insurance. Many buyers have taxes and insurance included in their monthly mortgage payment through an escrow account. That means part of your payment goes toward property taxes and homeowners insurance. But even if you have escrow, you still need to pay attention. Property taxes can increase. Insurance premiums can increase. Escrow shortages can happen. An escrow shortage means the lender estimated that your taxes or insurance would be one amount, but the actual amount was higher. When that happens, your monthly payment may increase to make up the difference. This is why you should review your escrow analysis every year. Do not ignore those letters from your mortgage servicer. They may explain changes to your monthly payment. Also, review your homeowner's insurance coverage. Make sure your policy is active, your premiums are being paid, and your coverage is enough for your property. You do not want your insurance to lapse. A lapse in insurance can create serious problems with your lender and leave you financially exposed if something happens to the home. The fifth thing you should do is look into a homestead exemption, if your area offers one. Depending on where you live, a homestead exemption may help reduce the taxable value of your primary residence. That can potentially lower your property tax bill. But this depends on your state, county, and local rules. Not every area has the same program, and the deadlines can vary. So after closing, contact your local tax assessor's office or visit their official website and ask, "Do I qualify for a homestead exemption? What is the deadline to apply? What documents do I need? Does this apply to my primary residence?" This is one of those things that many buyers forget to check, but it can make a meaningful difference when it is available. The sixth thing you should do is create a seasonal maintenance calendar. A home does not take care of itself. Small problems become big problems when they are ignored. Changing HVAC filters may not seem exciting, but it can help your system run better and last longer. Cleaning gutters may not feel urgent, but clogged gutters can create water damage. Checking for leaks may seem minor, but a small leak can become a major repair. A seasonal maintenance calendar helps you stay organized. Every month, check your smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, filters, and visible leaks. In the spring, inspect gutters, exterior drainage, landscaping, and air conditioning. In the summer, maintain your yard, check windows and doors, and watch for signs of pests or moisture. In the fall, clean gutters, service heating systems, check weather stripping, and prepare for colder weather. In the winter, monitor pipes, heating, insulation, and any signs of water intrusion. The goal is prevention. Preventive maintenance is almost always cheaper than emergency repair. The seventh thing you should do is maintain a home binder. This can be physical, digital, or both. Your home binder should include appliance manuals, repair receipts, contractor information, warranty documents, insurance information, mortgage documents, inspection reports, permits, and maintenance records. Why does this matter? Because when something breaks, you do not want to search through old emails and drawers trying to find paperwork. You want to know who installed it. Is it under warranty? When was it last serviced? Who do I call? What model number is it? What did the repair cost last time? A home binder keeps you organized and helps you make better decisions. It can also help when you sell the home in the future, because maintenance records show that you took care of the property. The eighth thing you should do is build a list of trusted professionals. Do not wait until there is an emergency to find a plumber, electrician, HVAC technician, roofer, handyman, insurance agent, tax professional, or contractor. Build your list early. Ask your real estate agent for recommendations. Ask neighbors who they use. Read reviews. Save phone numbers. Keep them in your home binder. When an emergency happens, stress is high. Having trusted contacts ready can save you time, money, and frustration. The ninth thing you should do is avoid taking on unnecessary new debt right after closing. Just because the loan closed does not mean your finances should become reckless. Be careful with furniture financing, credit cards, personal loans, car loans, and large purchases. It is normal to want to decorate your new home. It is normal to want new furniture. But do not bury yourself in new monthly payments right after becoming a homeowner. Give yourself time to adjust. Learn what your real monthly expenses look like. Build your emergency fund. Get comfortable with your mortgage payment. Then make upgrades at a pace your budget can handle. The 10th thing you should do is remember that homeownership is a long-term responsibility. Your home can be a place of peace. It can be a foundation for your family. It can be part of your financial growth. It can help you build stability and generational wealth, but only if you manage it wisely. Buying the home is the celebration. Maintaining the home is the discipline. Protecting the home is the strategy. So after closing, do not disappear from your finances. Do not ignore your mortgage statements. Do not ignore taxes. Do not ignore insurance. Do not ignore small repairs. Stay proactive. Set up your emergency fund. Create your maintenance fund. Put your mortgage on auto pay if it works for your budget. Track your taxes and insurance. Review your escrow account. Check for homestead exemption options. Create a seasonal maintenance calendar. Keep a home binder. Build a list of trusted professionals. Avoid unnecessary debt. Because the goal is not just to buy the home. The goal is to keep the home, protect the home, and allow that home to become part of your future. To every first-time homebuyer watching this, congratulations on becoming a homeowner. But now the real work begins. Take care of your home, and your home can take care of you. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep preparing, and remember, the best homeowner is not the one who waits for problems. The best homeowner is the one who prepares before the problem arrives.